the standard drift mode that uncorks the torque vectoring back up for more noteworthy deftness in corners. The Focus RS can play alongside your internal can block. Float mode is adjusted to do what the name infers, let you hoon around corners sideways with the tires smoking. We don't support this sort of conduct anyplace yet on a track, yet the Focus can and will enjoy your braggart propensities if inquired. Expect enormous tire bills on the off chance that you do it regularly. There additionally are normal, sport, and track drive modes, which adjust the auto's throttle reaction and steadiness control parameters by means of a catch on the inside reassure. We won't call the RS apprehensive, however it is nervous and rides firmly even with its versatile dampers in the gentler of the two settings. Its unpleasant ride on poorer streets is aggravated by the discretionary track range Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. They stick like Gorilla Glue and upgrade the Fords as of now great hold. Our test auto was on the standard Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. The settled proportion controlling is exact and fast, yet not all that touchy as to make the RS skittish at higher velocities. The RS's ceasing execution is respectable, with zero blur in our testing and a pleasingly firm and responsive feel to the pedal. Also, that pedal is superbly situated between the grasp and quickening agent for simple racer-type foot rear area and toe-down shifts. In any case, all players in this class as of now trail the Honda Civic Type R's stellar braking exertion. Portage's EcoBoost process gently pulls out the RS's controlling wheel under hard speeding up, utilizing its all-wheel drive grasp to make up for its chunkier check weight. A standard dispatch control framework guarantees steady, touchy departures, however coordinating our execution from the test track requires a ruthless grip dump. The force is solid up to the RS's 6,750 revolution per minute red line in each rating, yet its 5 to 60 mph moving speeding up uncovers that the less capable front-wheel drive Civic Type R is really a tick speedier.